Good afternoon, myself Pinky Chawla, advocate. Today we'll discuss about what are the essential things which the senior citizens should do, because once they get senior citizen and cross 60 plus, then they are not aware of how much long they are going to live. May God give them long life and they may live for 10 years, 20 years and more. But certain things they should follow so that after going them, the life of their kids and relatives should be easy for them. Number one, while giving gift deed or transfer deed, when they make a gift deed or transfer deed that for their property, they feel that they are free from all kind of responsibility. It's not so. While giving gift deed or transfer deed to their kids or their relatives, they should mention one point that they are giving gift deed and transfer deed, but in case they will not look after them properly, then in that case, as per Citizen Act, they can withdraw the deed or transfer deed also, and the property will come back to them also. So that as soon as they are alive, they should be treated well, and their everything, their livelihood and everything day to night, whatever they require, that should be completed. And secondly, if they have made any FD and in FD one nominees expired, then they should change the name of the nominee in their presence, and they should go to bank and death certificate and necessary document to be produced in the bank, and nominee should be changed immediately. Number three, if they have any movable or removable property which they handed over to someone on the loan basis, or they have either they have taken loan or given loan to somebody, they should their family member and their kids should know about this, so that after their death, that amount should not be biased and they should get back that amount. Fourth, if they have any matter going in the court, concern court, whether it's a positive or negative, their family member or their kids should be aware of. In case of his death, if someone comes, then kids will it will surprise to their kids as well as their relative also. And in case he has already written that this is matter is going on, they are aware of, then they can produce in the court with their death certificate that and after that they get either relief or they have to pay, then they can pay also. And again, they while leaving the world, they have to make a will also to whom they are giving the property, and who will be the right, what will be the right of whether you are distributing to all kids or one kid, so that after your death there will not be any dispute. And after that also there should be a equal distribution of property, because if you are giving property, maybe some or reason or how, if you give equal distribution of property, after that there will be no dispute, and they will be happy also, and you will also feel happy and secure while going last time. You can forgive them and give them equal distribution, and they will also, you can mention that I'm giving equal distribution of property to my kids and either to relatives or them, so that, and while still when I alive, they should look after me properly. So these are the essential ingredients which are required for every each and senior citizen, that after before that they should plan all these things, so that once they died, their life of their relatives as well as their kids should be comfortable. I hope you must have find this information productive. If you so, if you find any other doubts or clarity about this, my number is 9818277131. You can feel free to talk to me, but with prior intimation. Thank you so much listening to me. Thank you.